European home Dassault Rafale Aviation secures massive maintenance deal for Mirage 2000 fighter for 14 years. Even as France's Rafale fighter jets have caused a stir in the global arms export market, European nations have continued to support the aging Mirage 2000 aircraft and are looking to run them into the next decade. The Directorate of Aviation Maintenance, DMAé, of the French Ministry of the Armed Forces awarded Dassault Aviation a long-term contract to support the Mirage 2000 fleet. The agreement, which lasts for 14 years, covers all maintenance activities for the Mirage 2000s of the French Air and Space Force, FASF, until they retire. Following in the footsteps of Rafale and ATL-2 vertical maintenance contracts, Dassault currently supports nearly all equipment on its Mirage 2000B, C, 5, and D models, including those with mid-life updates, previously covered by 15 different contracts. However, machine maintenance and servicing is part of a separate contract, Dassault Aviation Chairman and CEO Eric Trappier said. This contract is in line with the DMAé strategy for verticalizing aeronautical maintenance, as requested by the French Minister of the Armed Forces, by assigning responsibility for support to one main contractor. The agreement covers all electronic systems, especially those made by Thales. It also includes improving technical and logistics services, such as integrated logistics centers at Luxeuil and Nancy air bases, as well as creating a Dassault Aviation presence at Atelier Industriel de l'Aéronautique. All stakeholders will have access to the Mirage 2000 aircraft support management information system derived from the Optimal as currently being developed for the Rafale under the Rafale contract for management of maintenance activity. This digital continuity optimizes the consistency of reference documentation and smooth exchange and enables the company to meet its aircraft availability commitments over the long term. According to Dassault, the purpose of the upgrade is to keep the aircraft up to date by providing better weaponry, new sensors, advanced electronic warfare systems, and extended service life. The manufacturer, Dassault Aviation, will upgrade 2 of the aircraft in France and then 2 more in India, at the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) plant in Bengaluru. The rest will be updated by HAL via technology transfer. The upgrade consists of a new mission computer with more memory, new radar, advanced navigation and electronic warfare systems, advanced communication and identification systems, glass cockpit with 2 lateral screens, and helmet-mounted displays.